Store clerk! Store clerk, get outside! Bring the dog in! Bring the dog in! Come on, dog, come on! I'll shoot you! Back out! Shoot! Get out!
Detectives with the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department Violent Crimes Unit were in and around an apartment complex on the 5300 block of East 21st Street. A VCU was tracking 33-year-old James Williams, who was a suspect in a double homicide on August 2, 2021, in the 4100 block of East 35th Street. In addition, Mr. Williams was wanted on a felony warrant from the Indiana Department of Corrections for escape and weapons offenses. VCU detectives observed Mr. Williams as he walked eastbound on 21st Street to a gas station at 5460 East 21st Street. A handgun was plainly visible in the waistband of Mr. Williams' shorts as he entered the gas station. Mr. Williams was inside the store for more than an hour. VCU detectives waited outside for him to exit. Multiple store security cameras captured video of the incident. Mr. Williams exited the store and VCU detectives approached him in the parking lot. As VCU detectives approached Mr. Williams ran back into the store.
I'll get you later now.
Detectives followed Mr. Williams into the store and shouted commands for him to get on the floor. During this time, detectives told customers and an employee to leave the store. The employee in the area behind the counter experienced difficulty opening the door to exit and was unable to leave at that time. Mr. Williams retrieved a handgun from his shorts, raised it in his right hand, and then pointed the handgun at detectives. Two detectives discharged their service weapons, striking Mr. Williams.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get everybody get on the ground! Everybody get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Come on out, crawl out! Everybody out! Everybody outside! Go outside! Go outside! Go outside! Go outside! Come on out! Come on out! I'm good, I'm shooting! Come on out! Come on out! Get your hands up! Let's see those hands! Get on out! Get on out! Get on out! Let's see those hands! Hey, come on! He's on the phone! He's on the phone! Get up! Let me see your hands! Store clerk! Store clerk, get outside! Bring the dog in! Bring the dog in! Come on, dog! Come on! I'll shoot you! Back out! Shoot! Shoot! Get out! Hands! He's down! He's down! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! I'll got it right here! Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't you fucking move! He's down. Start everybody. I'm not yelling. I'm going to Albert. I've got him. I can see the guy. I'm with you. Oh, no, buddy. Now he's fired. Do not move. You want to.
Paramedics responded and attempted life-saving measures, including CPR. Despite those efforts, paramedics pronounced Mr. Williams deceased at the scene.